I was told that I had to wait until creditors filed their claims against the estate before I could receive my inheritance. How much time do creditors have to file their claims against an estate? I need my money now. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. Thanks for watching this video. In today's video, we're talking about probate and creditors. So if you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. When a person dies, their outstanding debt isn't just forgiven by creditors. A big part of the probate process is notifying government agencies and all known or reasonably ascertainable creditors of the decedent's death, and then paying off all legitimate debts. It is the responsibility of the administrator executor to identify all of the creditors of the decedent. The administrator executor could go through the decedent's mail, go through their checkbooks, take a look at a credit report, go through tax returns, could do all of those things in order to identify who the decedent's creditors were. How much time do creditors have to file their claims against an estate? Creditors have 4 months from the date of issuance of letters. Letters is a one-page document that gives the administrator or the executor authority over the estate. Or 60 days after the date of the notice to creditors was mailed or personally delivered to creditors. The Code of Civil Procedure, Section 366.2, points out a 1-year statute of limitation for creditors to collect on unsecured debt. That clock begins after the date of death of the decedent. In most cases, what happens is the attorney files notice to creditors immediately after the personal representative has been appointed over the estate. That starts the clock ticking. Here in California, the courts will not allow a final accounting until the 4-month creditor claims period has expired. Plus, there is a procedure and a process for allowing and or rejecting creditors' claims. Heirs and beneficiaries are asking the question, how much time do creditors have to file their claims against an estate? Because they want to know when they can expect to receive their inheritance. Here in the state of California, when you hear about the probate judge signing off on the order for final distribution, the process is practically over and your inheritance is on the way. Question of the day. Have you ever been an administrator or an executor of an estate? If so, how long did it take before you were able to distribute proceeds to the heirs and beneficiaries? Let me know in the comments below. Often the heirs and beneficiaries want to close an estate as quickly as possible to get an inheritance. However, the executor or administrator must be smart and wise and not give in to any pressures to close the estate or distribute the money, I should say, early. Because if you do, as an executor or an administrator, distribute money early or wrongfully, you can be held personally liable for that money. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need a referral for a probate attorney, feel free to contact me.